Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Rings and Things. These crazy lace calcite beads are so incredibly cool, and I love the selection of Rings and Things copper. That strand of curved tubes is amazing, and so are these concentric circle coin beads. I'm going to add some seed beads and some spacer beads, and we're going to make a really cool necklace with all of these goodies. So I'm using a pattern of some seed beads in between my gemstone beads. And I'm doing 3 seed beads to add some dimension and pull in that copper color and bring continuity around the necklace. I'm doing a pattern of stones, and then I'm bringing in those coin beads, and they are really cool. They match this blue so perfectly. I just love the combination of a blue bead and copper. So the coin beads have a larger hole, so I am adding those little flat spacer beads on either side of the coin and also on either side of those large tube beads. And when I'm working with the tube beads, I'm going to add 3 of them to the center of my necklace. And I'm just going to do 1 seed bead in between each of the tubes and the beads in the center, just to sort of make that focal section a little bit tighter. You can space it out with a few more seed beads if you like, but I like the idea of just 1 for that focal section. So then I'm just going to go back up the other side of the necklace and do the same pattern I did on the other side, using those spacer beads around my coins. And oh wow, I love how this came out. I'm going with this necklace a little on the shorter side. It's about an 18-inch necklace. I'm going to use my bead stoppers, and then I decided just to finish up the back, I'm going to put one of the spacer beads on top of that very last bead that's in the necklace. So I'm going to go ahead and add it and then put my my little bead stoppers back on, and then I've got this cool tiara cast hook, and I'm going to use that with a large jump ring. And you'll need to adjust your little hook a little bit so that you can fit your jump ring through. And then you really shouldn't need to mess with it after you've got it in the right spacing to use. So I'm using some crimp tubes and French wire to attach both the jump ring and the hook finding. And I'm just snipping off that excess wire and getting ready to add it to the other side. So some French wire is just going to do a little finishing touch at the ends of my necklace. Crimping on and cutting off my excess, just finishing up that piece to make it look really beautiful. And I am absolutely crazy about this necklace. The copper, the blue, so incredibly cool. You can find all these pieces and parts to make this beautiful piece at ringsandthings.com. Here it is laid out with that focal. I just love how that looks. And I've got a little video of this piece out in the sunshine so you can see how beautiful it is in the natural light as well. You can find everything to make this at ringsandthings.com. Thank you so much for watching.